Hi, it's Radek here from Body Transform Bootcamp. In today's video, I want to talk about the supremacy of intermittent fasting. So, what is intermittent fasting? Well, intermittent fasting is pattern of eating and not eating. So, it's not a diet, okay? It's not about cutting calories, it's about deciding when you're gonna eat and when you not, okay? So, why would you do intermittent fasting? So, firstly, it's trigger two main hormones. Okay, growth hormone is a fat burning hormone, which is one of the six fat burning hormones, and it's an anti-aging hormone. But also, it's a hormone which preserve lean body mass. Okay, then insulin is also a very powerful hormone. Actually, in presence of insulin, the growth hormone is suppressed. Okay, so it's very dominant, this hormone, and if you have high level of insulin in your body, then you just can't lose weight, you can't lose or burn body fat. Okay, and you can tell what on people who's got high level of insulin, that they've got big belly, okay, big gut. So that's insulin. So why would you do intermittent fasting? I mean, intermittent fasting is, I would say, one of the most important patterns or tools to lose weight and or burn body fat. Okay, so how it works with insulin? So in pancreas, the insulin is created as is pumped whenever you eat. Okay, most people think that it is only when you eat carbs, but it's actually whenever you eat, pancreas are creating and sending insulin to the cells. But then, if this is happening very often, if you eat all the time, it can create pre-diabetes disease or situation or condition. And how it works is that the cells actually blocking the insulin, and there is missing the feedback to pancreas. So pancreas is pumping between 5 to 7 times more of insulin. It's like with children. If you talk to them, they've got fingers in their ears. They can't hear you. You don't get a feedback. So you need to increase the volume. So in same principle, it works with insulin and pancreas. Okay. So that's why intermittent fasting actually heals pre-diabetes condition. Okay. So I just draw here non-intermittent fasting of way of eating, where it's 5 meals and 2 meals eating, which is intermittent fasting, which is really great fat burning state. Okay, so 5 meals. Most people, they eat 5 meals. Some of them even 6 meals. Yeah, so they have breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. Yeah. Some people, they have even snack between the breakfast and lunch. So what do you want to do from this situation? You want to get into 3 meals pattern, okay? Where you eat only breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, to overcome kind of that feeling, starving, you need to increase amount of fat, which will keeps you full longer, okay? Now, I don't want to talk in this video about what to eat. I just want to talk about the patterns or the techniques or strategy of intermittent fasting, okay? But I will talk about what to eat in one of the next videos, okay? So from 3 meals, if you want to take it further to a different level, then you want to get into 3 meals where you fast for 16 hours, but 8 hours eat, yeah? 8 hours window you eat. So, when you get up in the morning, try to postpone your first meal of the day by 4 hours. So let's say if you get up at 6, then have your first meal at 10. Then the second meal would be at 2, and the third meal would be at 6. Yeah, so you having your meals, 3 meals, main meals, in this 8 hours period, and you fast for 16 hours. And then when you fast, then when is happening all the fat burning, you really burn lots of body fat, especially in the last hours of this 16 hours window. Okay, then the even greater fat burning happens when you fast for 20 hours and you eat only in the window of 4 hours. So you would have lunch and dinner. Let's say you get up and then you will last till 1 o'clock when you have your first meal, and then your second meal of the day would be at 5 o'clock evening. Okay, so with this one, that would be absolutely great fat burning. Now on top of that, if you add, let's say, high interval training, that would even speed up the process of fat burning. So really you would see great results of losing the body fat, especially from the area of your waist. Okay, it takes time to transition from one stage to other stage. Let's say from 3 meals from here to, let's say, get through 3 meals in the 8 hours. That takes 2-3 weeks. Then transition from 3 meals to 2 meals can take even months, 2 months time, okay, to not feel actually hungry when you have only 2 meals. So that's about the supremacy of intermittent fasting. This is kind of the technique we use in one of our programs, and people having absolutely amazing results. Okay, so that's all from me today. And please comment below or share this video with your friends, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.